Hi, this is Stu.
And Dee Beans.
And we are the Little House of Beans. Before we get into Edie's holiday cook today, we would both like to wish you all a happy and healthy and safe holiday season. This video is being shot a week before Christmas. So we'd also just like to thank all of you for all of your support, for watching our videos, for encouraging Edie to come up with new recipes that are easy to cook either at home or while you're camping.
Happy holidays. Thanks for supporting us. Just wishing you and your family an extremely happy and healthy holiday season.
And now, on to the cook.
Today on Cooking with Edie, we are making a holiday special recipe. Peppermint bread. Wait, it gets better. 3 ingredients. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. So easy, so delicious. I learned this recipe while interning on the Food Network. And, Stu?
I have eaten it once before, years and years ago, and it is delicious. Before we get into that, the best thing you can do to help our channel grow is to give us a thumbs up. That helps YouTube find our videos and so on and so forth. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the notification bell. The recipe and all the links to all the products you see in this video will be in the description below. I'm ready to cook. Edie's ready to cook. You're ready to cook.
Most importantly, I'm ready to cook.
So, let's cook.
Christmas is coming, yeah. Start sending your letters off to Santa. Christmas is coming, yeah.
So the original recipe called for peppermint ice cream, which unfortunately I could not find in the store. So we compromised and I got marshmallow, candy cane, and cookie blast. The very, very most important part about this recipe is the ice cream needs to be thawed to like a self-serve consistency, or else the recipe will not work.
Spotting some sleigh rides and some jingle bells. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama, papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Roasting some chestnuts on the fire.